The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is officially less than 1 week away from launch, and here are some pieces of information you may not know about it. But first, let's talk about the launch. The telescope is supposed to launch from Kennedy Space Center no earlier than August 30th at 7:26 a.m. Eastern Time, and it's supposed to launch aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy, which they have entered it into right now. As a reminder, the Roman Space Telescope is about to become only one of roughly a dozen observatories and telescopes that NASA already has in space. If you remember, James Webb also launched semi-recently, and of course, we've had Hubble functioning for years and years. All right, fun fact number one is that a single Roman Space Telescope image is going to be like 300 megapixels large. So in order to actually view the entire image in its full complexity, you will need to stack like 40 4K TV screens in a grid to be able to view the whole image. I think that is absolutely insane, and being able to see that amount of complexity in a single photo is landmark. That is absolutely unprecedented. Fun fact number two is that apart from having the visors or sunblock that will allow the scientists to block out the sun, it also has a coronagraph that allows scientists to block out individual distant stars that will allow them to view faint exoplanets. And lastly, I think this is the craziest piece of information about this whole thing, but the Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, as well as the James Webb Space Telescopes, are actually not in orbit around the Earth. They are in synchronized orbit around the sun, and they orbit the sun every 365 days, hence synchronized with the Earth. They are roughly 4 times further away from us than the moon is. Guys, they are not in Earth orbit. These telescopes are out there. They are so far away from us, roughly 1,000,000 miles. I can't even imagine what that looks like. Insane. I think that is absolutely insane. Another thing I'm really excited about is to be able to see all the combinations that are going to come out of these telescopes now that we also have Nancy Grace as part of the fleet. So all of these images that used to combine James Webb, Hubble, Chandra Space Telescope, even the Gamma Rays Telescope, this is going to be incredible when we're able to add Nancy Grace to the mix and see the incredible complexity that comes out of that. There is so much more. So if you'd like me to make a second video about the Nancy Grace Telescope and all of the incredible things that it's going to be able to do, let me know in the comments and I will make a second video with more fun facts about this. I am so excited for the launch. I'm going to be up at 7:30 a.m. on August 30th to be watching this launch. If you like this video and would like to hear more stories and current events in space like this, give me a follow.